Hey everyone, we have a set of Lexus GX470 LED retrofit fog lights completed today. We haven't posted one of these in a while, but we've been building them pretty consistently. So we decided to take a video of this latest set that we just built. These were built on brand new OE style fog housings, and we retrofitted the Diode Dynamics SSC2 Sport LED pods inside. These are the yellow output, and we're going to cut them on right here to show you guys what it looks like. And so, being the yellow pods, these light up in yellow. These have the SAE fog output beam pattern and are completely plug and play with the factory connector. So these are ready to install out of the box, super easy to hook up. Just remove your old fog lights and install ours. So if you want to order a set of LED fog lights for your GX470, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can make a purchase directly on our website. We also do offer blacking out the internals and whatnot, some other customization options to get that appearance that you want. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.